Is it time to buy or sell VOO ETF? In this video, we are diving deep into VOO. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 9th of April, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 9th of April 2025, our system has ranked VOO as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of negative 0.23. Now, let's examine the ETF's performance during this time frame. The ETF has experienced natural fluctuations, but currently reflects a loss of 0.00% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. The exchange-traded fund is situated in the midst of a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further decreases within this trend are likely. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 10.82% over the upcoming 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 18.57% to negative 5.85%. When considering the longer term, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of 14.05%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between 4.43% and 31.05% over the next year. In practical terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $521.23 and $654.08. Our latest daily update for VOO includes the headline, Significant Movements in VOO ETF Price on Wednesday, fluctuating by 10.79% between high and low. The VOO ETF price increased by 9.27% on the last trading day, rising from $456.74 to $499.10. During this trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 10.79%, with a low of $453.16 and a high of $502.06. The price has decreased in 6 out of the last 10 days, resulting in a decline of 4.84% over this period. Trading volume also increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 10 million more shares traded compared to the previous day. In total, 28 million shares changed hands for approximately $14.22 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $563.90, while the lowest price was $442.80. Currently, the price is 11.49%, or $64.80, below the 52-week high of $563.90, which is also the all-time high for the ETF. In a significant market shift, the S&P 500 experienced its best trading day since 2008, following President Trump's announcement of a 90-day pause on tariffs. This pivotal move alleviated concerns that have plagued investors, sparking a remarkable recovery across major indices, including VOO. With the Dow surging nearly 2,900 points, optimism returned to the market as fears of an impending recession abated, at least temporarily. Despite the positive momentum, analysts caution that the long-term outlook for VOO and the S&P 500 remains clouded by the tariff's potential impact on corporate earnings. Torsten Slok, chief economist at Apollo, noted that ongoing tariff implementations could negatively affect earnings in the coming months, posing risks to stock valuations. As tariffs escalate, maintaining momentum in the market could become increasingly challenging. More immediate opportunities also lie within VOO, as recent market turmoil has led stock valuations to decline, making certain equities within the ETF attractive for investors. This current price volatility could provide strategic buying opportunities, but investors must remain cautious of macroeconomic indicators that could influence stock performance in the long run. Thus, while the pause in tariffs may have offered a short-term boost, the long-term health of VOO will depend on ongoing geopolitical dynamics and their repercussions on the economy. The following signals have been identified for VOO. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, the 8th of April, 2025, and so far, it has risen approximately 9.27%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot has been established. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is considered to be a positive technical signal. However, some negative signals have also been issued, and these may influence short-term developments. The VOO exchange-traded fund holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this results in an overall sell signal for the ETF, suggesting a more negative outlook. With further gains, the ETF will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $520.23. Conversely, in the event of a decline, the ETF will find support from the short-term average at $487.68. A breakout above the long-term average will trigger another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will create an additional sell signal and reinforce the overall trend. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 2 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 34 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 31 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 12 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 31 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 23 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for VOO. On the downside, the exchange-traded fund finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $465.52 and $463.56. There is a natural risk involved when an exchange-traded fund is testing a support level, since if this level is broken, the fund may then fall to the next support level. In this case, VOO finds support just below today's level at $465.52. If this support is breached, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $463.56 and $456.74. This exchange-traded fund has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. Over the last day, the fund moved to $48.90 between its high and low, which represents 10.79%. For the past week, the exchange-traded fund has experienced a daily average volatility of 6.57%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for VOO. In the event of an upward trend, the initial resistance level for VOO is at 511.28. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the ETF, this could be a crucial level to consider for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, VOO encounters its first support level at 465.52. If this support level remains intact, it might serve as an excellent entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $478.44, reflecting a decrease of 4.14%. This exchange-traded fund experiences moderate daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal based on the pivot bottom identified 1 day ago. Is the VOO ETF a good buy? VOO presents several favorable indicators. However, we do not find these sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate at this time. Currently, it should be viewed as a hold or accumulate option while we await further developments. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this ETF since the last evaluation, moving it from a sell recommendation to a hold or accumulate candidate. Upon reviewing the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 10th of April, we anticipate that VOO will open lower by $14.33, beginning at a trading price of $484.77. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your insights. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.